In this step, we're going to create the item model and then add that model to our DB context. To start, we need to create a models folder. Once that's done, we will create an item class within this folder. Now that we have our item class, we're going to add two public properties to this. The first property is going to be of type int, and it's going to be ID. Next public property is going to be of type string, and it's going to be called description. We're going to add two attributes to our description, the required and a max length of 50. You're going to have to add a using statement to system.componentModel.dataAnnotations. Now that this is done, we need to open our application DB context. And in here, we're going to create a public property of type dbSetItem, which we're going to need to add a using statement for our wishlist.models, named items.